Guys, do you remember me? I'm not uploading many videos in my dad's phone because I have an iPad now. Look behind you. Pew! That's why there's a light because it's my tablet. And I love my mom for buying this. Yeah. And guys, I have Roblox in my iPad. And guys, look. Hello guys, I just logged into Roblox. And let me just put you guys. Boom! I log into Roblox on my iPad. Tas English share ako, Pilipina talaga ako. Tas naglalaro ako ng time bomb. So, I stay focused. Pero may part 2 to. May part 2. May part 2. And I will stay focused. Tatago lang ako dito para wala magkikita sa akin. Tatago lang ako dito. Tapos guys, tingnan nyo yung ano ko, kills at anchor. Ito ka may stop passing ito. Boom, tingnan mo yung anchor ko tap 513. Tapos yung kills ko 180. And I will stay focused. Okay, safe zone here. Oh my god. I think you cannot see it. I'm over the ladder and I'll just go down like this. Say up. Paano mo napasa yung bomba sa akin? Hindi ka naman malapit sa akin. Boosh, boosh. Okay lang kahit namatay ako everywhere. Bababa lang ako.